Oh my God. Outside is very, very cold. I think maybe like -3. Still snowing here in Muchin Airport, you know. So I have my break. So I have to go for food too. So I put on my jacket. It's time now for breakfast. So I have to go to the fridge and get my breakfast, and then you watch me. I want you guys to be always eat something good for breakfast, even at work. I'm in my working place. I have break, so come with me. You guys. Enjoy your meal, boys. So, fridge is full, but I got to take my own stuff, you understand, you know? So, this one, this. So you can see they marked this place because of the COVID crisis we are facing, even right here in the airport, you understand? So you are allowed to sit here, we still maintain 2-meter distance, you know? Yeah, so I have to put my foot here. Yeah. So I have to get my bread. So guys, this is cucumber, you know, this is very, very good, you understand? I'm going to smash this into the bread today. This is chips, this is yogurt cream, and this is brown bread, you understand? All this stuff I'm going to combine it together so that I have to get myself fit, you understand? So this is breakfast at work, very, very effective. So guys, one thing is missing. You know what is missing? Can you guess? Guys, let me see. Coffee is missing. So guys, so now we have the bread, we have coffee, we have cucumber, we have chicks, we have yogurt cream. Then let me show you guys, okay? Because you have to be eating very good, even at your working place. Okay? The whole wheat bread, this is brown bread, very, very good. You know? So, guys, what I'm doing, you know? Got to know how to eat very good. You understand? Breakfast is very, very important. You understand? And even if you have to eat something very good. Okay? Not like you eat like rice. You don't need very strong food. You need light and very effective, healthy breakfast. So what I'm doing, I have to cream it, you know. So I get my cucumber, pick off my cheese. Oh, this cheese is very, very nice, man. So, place the cheese here. Good. So I slice the cucumber, okay? So guys, simple, healthy, very good. Brown bread, cucumber, chicks, and the yogurt cream. Okay, so watch me. You can join me. Very, very good, man. I love breakfast. One thing with this things, it will make you very, very effective, strong the whole day, you know. So I encourage you guys, start eating something like this at work. Even you have to take care of yourself at work. Eat very good breakfast, like I'm eating. It's very simple, it's not that difficult for you to make. Okay? Ụmụnne, ekele m unu. Ya gazie mbọ. Like this video, share this video, subscribe. Reporting live inside the best airport of Europe. I love you, peace. Very, very good, man. Goodbye.